Hey, it's Jeff Ritter from Essex Parts. Today we are going to look at how to find spare brake discs for our AP Racing by Essex competition brake kits. And there are several ways to do this, and I'm going to walk you through those right now. So if you go to our homepage, essexparts.com, the first way to try to find these would be to enter your year, make, and model of your car and find your specific brake kit and then look at the spares section. So we're going to take a look at one of my favorites, the C6 Z06. So you do your year, make, model drop down and hit search. And let's say you own one of our 372 CP9668 372 kits, which is one of our most popular kits for the C6 Z06. You're going to click on that. It's going to take you to the kit page. Now you simply scroll down a little bit, go down here, find the spares and accessories tab, which shows you all of your spare parts, and scroll down and spare iron brake disc rings. And these are both links. This is your right and left disc. So you click on this one, it's going to take you to this page where it shows you the right-hand disc. Over here, it'll also show you the left-hand disc. So you can add this one to your cart, add the left-hand disc, and then also every time you do a disc replacement, you need to replace the hardware. So the hardware will appear there as well, but there's also a link to it here. And you need one of these kits for every spare iron that you're going to assemble. And then if you want to see your assembly instructions, you can also click there and it'll show you the assembly, torque specs, and everything you need. So that's the first way. Again, that's if you know which brake kit you have, and you just go to the spares page. Another way would be to go to our home page and go to the brake disc section. Click AP Racing brake discs, AP Racing disc replacement rings. Click there. Then it's going to show you all the disc replacement rings for our various brake kits. So if you know you have a 372, we have these in size order from small to large. So you can find your 372s, which are right here. It's a 1305 10052. Click that, and there you have your brake disc spare ring. Now, the third way to do it would be if you knew this part number and you had purchased it from us before, you could simply go to our search bar and enter it. Hit enter. It's going to find that disc ring. And I think that's about it. It's pretty simple. There are several ways to find spare discs. So hopefully that helps you out, and we'll see you next time.